ṣeun. Kádúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ tó ṣe kúlúkúlú tó ló ti tàn kíkan. Ọmọ èèyàn kẹ́ tó ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀ tiẹ̀ tó rẹ̀ dẹ̀mọ̀dẹ̀mọ̀. Kádúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọba ká sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àpò kádúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìtàmọ̀ tó tàmà tí ò ṣe ni. Bàbá wa olówó díẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá nílẹ̀ bá lọ mọ́ àbá tì mí. Ẹlẹ́mi ní àgbàlẹ̀ ọlọ́pàá náà ló tẹ ọ̀dí ẹni ló. Ẹ̀yìn náà ló ka alákòótì ẹ̀mí. Nígbà tí alákòótì ẹ̀mí lọ náà ló ka láwùjọ.
Ṣòro díẹ̀ fún wa láti kọ ẹ̀kọ́ tá a fẹ́ sọ yìí ní èdè tiwa ní bínú ni kọmíṣọ́nà ẹ má sọ pé gbọ́ eléyìí o bọ̀dọ̀ wa máa mix méjèèjì náà ni bàbá ṣe ń kà á tún kí wa káàbọ̀ sí ìbàlẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ sí o I welcome you to this maiden edition of Oriki Yoruba Festival of Eburu Adekunle Yoruba Cultural United. I especially recognize our royal fathers through our father, Orogun of Fila, who is about to join us. I thank you so much for your support. I sincerely appreciate your presence here. We have many groups here, but I won't waste your time further by mentioning each. I think the MC has already recognized, but I want to particularly recognize my brother King, the Alakpas, and the Oba Lufons, represented by Oba Lufon, Alaye More of Ido Oshun. I want to recognize the presence of the Osun State government, ably represented here by Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Dr. Adebisi Obawale, and many of the ministries of leadership. We appreciate your presence. As I've always emphasized, sir, today's traditional institution is an integral part of government. And I want to use this opportunity to seek for more partnership. I'm already very happy, that you are here. I'm really, very happy. It's the beginning of great things. He's a very busy man, and I have to almost blackmail him, that if you don't call, I'm going to move to Kwara State, but he's here. So we need more partnership. To support your effort, just launch some great initiative to promote our culture and traditional values. This is our modest contribution to the development of tourism, which is one of the cardinal programs of the government of the state. Our gathering here today is a dream come true. As a young prince, I love drumming, and I have special interest in Egungun. I don't know where I got it from, but I just find myself always fascinated, by their colorful, great things and what the way they perform. My inquisitiveness had made me to once explore Ogoni chords and their role in our traditional institution. I'm just curious, when we are young, you just be passing somewhere, they will say that's a lady or something, I always want to know what's going on in that, lady. I mean, unfortunately, I didn't have an opportunity to enter that lady until I became, king. So no need to enter it again because everything is now, I'm the head. So, but thanks to my Oluwo, he always coach me and tell me what is going on in the lady. Okay. I was a student at the Obasala Center for Creative Arts, founded by Chief Muraina Oyinami, who is one of the recipients of our award of honors. Unfortunately, he's not able to join us right now because they have a program going on in their community, and he's the ASA, the Prime Minister, the traditional Prime Minister of the Ragbiji. I studied textile design and printmaking, at the center, and drumming as minor. Yes, I have a minor, so my major is, I can make batik. So all these things I know how to make it. I made it to even make some money while I was at college, and I can do some little drumming and dance, to Bata. So if I am sure that you spend enough money for me, I might, try some. Yes. Chief Murena gives to our cultural heritage is unparalleled. I have appreciation of our traditional clothing, drumming, and drama through his work. I was once a stage manager of a Be Mighty Be Mine. The fight between Shogun and Ogun, they were fighting, over Oya. So I stage managed that, and it was during the production of that play that I learned about Obatala, Shogun, Orumila, Ogun, and etc. Some of the songs that we learned then, I will just quickly run through. Obatala, Obataisha, Obakata Lode, Raje, Babarugo, Baba Obi. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹyẹ ń gbọ́ o, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹyẹ ń gbọ́ o, ẹyẹ ò déédéé ìbàlórùdé o, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ. You think that maybe I know all these things from Ellis or somewhere, but it's just through my interaction at the center. All I learned with joining any sect, all this I learned without joining any sect, and it's shaping my life and what I'm doing, today. So my generation grew up with Ifa Olokun Asorodayo on television. We always watch Baba Araba, Yemi Elebubo, and I learned all the Dufa I know through Araba Yemi Elebubo on television. I doubt, Baba Elebubo, if you ever realize the impact of your play those days on Yoruba cultural heritage. This gathering today was partly planted by you, without whom I might not have any knowledge of a very important aspect of our culture. Eriwo ya eriwo fún esoro ọpẹ ẹ̀lẹ́ o. Adífá fún orí níjọ́ tí ń sáwó òrèlé ọlọ́fin. Adífá fún ọrùn níjọ́ tí ń sáwó òrèlé ọlọ́fin o. Adífá fún bèbè dí níjọ́ tí ń sáwó òrèlé ọlọ́fin. Oríṣàwó gbadé, oríṣàwó gbadé. Mi ò ní máa kà lọ because my waste time yìí mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ìjọba. Bàbá tó máa sọ pé ìjẹ́ ẹ rójú ayé àbẹ́ẹ̀ rí. Èṣù ohun Ọ̀rúnmìlà wọn sọ̀rẹ́ títí láéláé. Èṣù lóhùn ó sọ̀rúnmìlà, ara wọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe o. Ṣòkòtò àrán lọ́ba láàárọ̀ wọ́n fa díẹ̀ sí. Àrán lọ́ba láàárọ̀ wọ́n tó fa díẹ̀ sí. Ọba lára kò ní kú, ẹ ṣàbí àtẹ. Ọba lára kò ní rò. Bí mo dúró, bí mo súre, ire mi ò ṣàìgbà o. Bí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀, bí mo súre, ire mi ò ṣàìgbà o. Àdékáṣá àti súre, ire àwa ò ṣe. Bàbá tó gbé kíní ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́, mo tún lè dáfá. Iwájú ọgbọ́n ọfọ ọgbọ́, ẹ̀yìn ọgbọ́n ọfọ ọgbà, ọlùlọ́tún, ọgọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́sì. Ààrẹ ọgbọ́n ọ̀tọ̀run àti wáyé ọjọ́ àti wọ̀ọ́rùn. Bàbá fẹ́ bọ́ lójú ọ̀rìta, wàá lò kéré ta. Well, I'm not going to give you everything for free. You need to consult me. Thank you very much, Baba. All these things you take, I learned it. through this man sitting there on television. We have to educate our younger generation that our cultural heritage and even religion are not evil at all. I can't talk much about traditional religion because I've not explored it deeply, regrettably. I was born into Christianity and I've lived all my life in Christianity. It's a little bit too late for me to start, exploring any other thing. It's really painful, really, because it's something I would really love to know when the time. I'm busy with another too many things. But this is the little way we can do. I was raised with Revalu, and it was a very, difficult, Larry, very difficult and too late for me to dabble into any other religion. However, if we are not questioning Islamic and Christianity religion, we should be tolerant and respect our other faith and religious, beliefs. I was, however, exposed to our cultural value and heritage since it was distinct to religion. Please, there's complete difference between our culture and religion. I fully imbibe our culture through the work of many of you sitting down there here. I further, develop my knowledge. Báyé wọ́n tó ìwà àbàjẹ́ ni wọ́n hù. Adífá fún Olúfìmọ̀ àkókò tí ó fayé múrò. Àpètẹ́ ìtẹ́ òjẹ́ òwò, àpòrò oró mi títí ó, ẹ̀já òun àpèrè ọba wò. You see, when I eventually ascend the throne, that resonates and has meaning, to me. This is something I learned, through our culture and of course, through the technology, mediated implementation of technology of a culture. We should not be ashamed of our cultural heritage because we were told by the promoter of modern Western and Eastern religion, we were told that it's not good. We have great cultural heritage, which has sustained us till now. It is the erosion and neglect of those values that brought us to this level of moral decadence in our society. Hopefully, the work of Eburu Adekunle, Yoruba cultural renaissance, will help restore the lost glory of our rich culture and Omoluabi ethos. I have a great appreciation for the work of Baba Wande. And please, if you will not mind, I would like to pause here because this is very important, for us to welcome Baba Orogun of Ila. But I mark where I stop. Kábíyèsí Ọ̀rọ̀gún Tiléla akínyìn káàbọ̀ sí àríwá Ọ̀rọ̀gún Òkèlà ọkọ náà ní Ọ̀rọ̀gún òye méjì o ọkọ náà méjèèjì o tó ẹ jẹ́ ká kí àwọn bàbá gbé kábíyèsí o ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ mo rò pé a tún máa ní àyè kábíyèsí láti fi àwọn bàbá wa gbogbo wọn náà tí wọ́n ti wá kí yín láti fi hàn gbogbo wọn wá káàkiri gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá láti wá darapọ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tí a ṣe. À ń ka ọ̀rọ̀ wa níbi tí a dé ní torí pé a fẹ́ kí a gbádùn àwọn tí a kó wá. Ibi tá a kà dé a ti sọ̀rọ̀ kábíyèsí lórí pàtàkì kí a mọ́ máa ba àṣà wa run nítorí nǹkan tí àwọn òyìnbó wá sọ fún wa wípé nǹkan tiwa ò dáa. Tó bá ti ṣe nǹkan ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n á ní evil ni a wá máa ti àwọn èèyàn lójú. Tó bá mọ ẹsẹ̀ fá tó bá ké wọ́n á ní ológun ni ẹ́ ológun bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní kéèyàn jẹ́ ológun.